Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can fix EA Sports College Football 27 crashing or not launching on Steam. There's a few things you can do, and the first one, you can start out by going into your library, right click on your game, select properties, and in general, inside the launch options, you can select -dx11. After that, you want to go to installed files and select this icon right here, which is verify integrity of the game files. Once this runs out, you can close Steam, restart your PC and try to relaunch it. Next up, you can open either your NVIDIA or AMD software card and select for the drivers and select for any updates you have available. This is very crucial. Then you want to select and get the latest updates if you have available. Then you can minimize this, open your web browser and type Redist in Google and select this link, which is the Microsoft Learn link. Then you can scroll down a bit in here and see until you see these redistribution versions. You want to get the latest one, so you want to select this x86 and x64 with the links next to them. Get in, and then restart your PC again and relaunch. Then you should be able to run this EA Sports College Football 27 without any issues on Steam. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you then.